Identifying nuances in fake news versus satire, using semantic and linguistic cues. The blurry line between nefarious fake news and protected speech satire has been a notorious struggle for social media platforms. Further to the efforts of reducing exposure to misinformation on social media, purveyors of fake news have begun to masquerade as satire sites to avoid being demoted. Oxford Dictionary defines satire as the use of humor, irony, exaggeration, or ridicule to expose and criticize people's stupidity or vices. Inspired by the humorous aspects of satire, our hypothesis is that semantic and linguistic cues can help a machine to tell fake news and satire apart. Our method includes two text classifiers. The semantic representation is based on Google's BERT, a state-of-the-art contextual language model. The linguistic features are based on textual coherence metrics. The following table provides a summary of the results. We compare our two methods to the language-based baseline from the previous work of Gallbeck et al. Both methods significantly outperform the baseline on the F1 score, with the pre-trained BERT achieving the best score. These results confirm the existence of semantic and linguistic difference between fake news and satire. When observing the significant features of our method, we find the causal connectives that are proven to be important in text comprehension, and two indices related to the text readability, both suggesting that satire articles are more sophisticated, or less easy to read, than fake news articles. Overall, our contributions, with the improved classification accuracy and towards the understanding of nuances between fake news and satire, carry great implications with regard to the delicate balance of fighting misinformation while protecting free speech.